Hey friends, Chris and Kristi team, we're out here in beautiful Santa Rita Ranch. This is the Highland model. This is plan 222. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3610 square feet. Come take a look with us.
Rhythm and blues, I just wanna listen with you. Diamonds and haze, we know it's right in the waves. Could it be proof that we are mirrors of truth, reflections, passing through projections of what's good. Meet me in the dark, meet me in the stardust. Heaven isn't far, heaven's all around us. Give into the rush, give it all you got. Celebrate right, celebrate because you're a star catcher, dream maker, lifesaver, yeah. So raise a glass. Snow on the pane, laying back under the rays. Whatever is good, life's little gifts, just think on this. Could it be you and me are dancing through seas of seasons, time and all its feelings, memory.
Thanks for coming on the tour with us.
And if you are thinking of moving to North Austin, give the Chris and Kristi team a call. We can help you out here in Santa Rita.
Give into the rush, give it all you got. Celebrate right, celebrate